growth, confidence, and future. Find us in Kisii Town, Jogoo area along the Kisii-Nyamira Highway opposite the Kenya Power Substation. For more information, call 071-524-5923 or 071-959-4048. Lucky Star Educational Center, a center of excellence.
Omonchwa omurigereria nigo chiaragire chinsa ibere chiabono marogoba chingakire tarike ya mutinye 12 omwaka oyiga bwechirwa ibere na 25 toro mutinyo mwario bwo mwaka marogobe yabono nigo nchikoretera bunabere kagwateka imene isiko yorogongo rwa Gusii elia nebna botambe nigo ngoro kwa dipo na sanya na sense mojende manyererio nigo tokubwaterana na Wilson Makori kurende totara ya chaka soboime asense mojende studio to ya chaka senchira yo bwenge.
And as a university here, we have tried to adjust our budget accordingly to be able to provide these services to the young people that was being supplemented before by the donors.
Rituko rya nyamoreo kwenyeruo ime na isiko yorogongo rwa Gusii ase gikuru kya batukiri abantu gwetanga nebinyinyi ebyo.
Wacha kitu yenye imehappen ukweli ifanyike, because we can't be complaining alafu watu wana ignore to ignorance. Because mimi nilimwambia kama ni socket tutaki kununua, mimi nitanunua socket. Umuriro
gwateka chinsemo chia keroka na gotiga sarenene ase chia matechio.
Tukurigima. Onye kura teyo mubuko aya nayo muchori mutanga ni bumurayo mube. Mwanyure. Umurayo mube ni gago chornu muntu uri utaywaka kura.
Abasai nigo bagendete gosegetwa kweri kya gose kubwata ebibande munenjera ya moyo kuyarigania sobo chorio banene buri bosio. Kira etarikieye mo ya December kero mwaka nigemanyekanete buna World AIDS Day eyo yabake gochengerwa chinsemo ao ime yense ya Kenya okwana kurose county ya Kisii ababwatani ao ne serikali ye county ya Kisii nigo basangererekana ase university ya Kisii asogo ikirania litukelio ekirenge kyabo nigo kyarenge kokwanera abasae goseke goliegeke anene igoro y'oburiro boiga nabo igo chinchira cyowetanga gose gokora oburiro boiga anene kurwa asabanto omubaro ogendete kolekana go comment kamna tokumanyiwa no muri kyoito Matilda Obaiwa.
Nekero rituko ria rero rire rituko ryo kuinyorania igoro y'oburiro bw'inyamureo ase ensengima yani World AIDS Day. Nigo ababwatani ao kurase county ya Kisii rituko ria rero panyara gusangirekana ase university ya Kisii unenchere yamo yo kuinyorania igoro yeritukeli.
Okay, today we are commemorating World AIDS Day. And we have joined with and so as a university we take it upon ourselves to ensure that we sensitize the students, we create awareness, and even go ahead provide condoms for them to be able to just give them healthy lifestyles. And also we are empowering them to be responsible on matters health.
Waukwana kurwa ase chinsemo icho nigo banyara gukwanira ekiringa ekyo kere ogokeya okwambukira ku buriro boiga anene muno ase egati y'abasae nekero banyara kwera buna omubaro bw'abasae nigo onyare ko bagokomentekana kubwa muno bali babwate ebinyinyi by'enyamuleo.
And other stakeholders from around here just to have a chat with the young people on how are they responsible on matters of HIV/AIDS.
We have peer educators there who are taking our young people through the understanding of what HIV is in detail, what is happening, the new trends that or new trends of infection, and what are the modes that we may have to use to get to prevent ourselves from new infections.
Na korwa ase nsemo y'abasae nigo banyara gwichanira okonengetwa ase gati y'abari bamenyete n'ebinyinyi ebyo engana batebire etari koira baria babwato omuchando yo asinchira ere endonge.
There is nothing that HIV will hinder you from. The only challenge is sisi tuko na stigma, like we fear getting tested and we fear taking drugs.
Ama kama uko shuleni na waomba wakubwa wetu pita pale shuleni uweze kupatia hizi advices ili wenye wako na hiyo tuweze kuishi vizuri na watupatia nguvu.
Bono okuboria nigo kwabwa tukirgo chase abantu bonsi banyare gwetuma nabo igo banyare korengwa ase chinyagitari ao bunencheremo yokwemanya nabo igo gokeya okwambukirania egati y'abarabo.
One is that we must test ourselves, do frequent testing, just get to know where we are, our status, so that we prevent infecting others, and we also able to live positive possibility of getting to give birth to a negative child and still raising a negative child, provided you follow what the doctors are prescribing and rather the regimen they have arranged for you.
And what I want to encourage people is that you can still have HIV and get HIV-free kids. As long as you accept yourself and move on with life, nothing is wrong.
Nakorwa asense moyende nigo batebire ase sabali yiga omuchando oraroro okokeiwa wetibesa chiri chigotomwa anene mono tibesa chabiri chikwato kokora chinse chinde bunabono enseri ya Marekani gocha ase chinse chireme yorogongo rwa Africa engana batebire bono yanyare koleto omuchando ase segi yokorwania omuchando boboriro boiga.
And even if the funding was coming from the donors and that has been reduced, we have to step in and now support our people. And as a university here, we have tried to adjust our budget accordingly to be able to provide these services to the young people that was being supplemented before by the donors.
Nasi sabali yokurwania gukora na bwigogokeya ebinyinyi by'enyamuleo bali bonse babwate obororo bwiga bw'enyamuleo nigo bono basae banyare kuburirwa banyare wesokia sobonge banyare korengwa banyare gwetanga anene mono asogokeania obwanchani bwagenkyo na bwigogotumeka nonye emepira chingaki baokora obwanchani nigo bono abangina babori wekero bakobonkia abana babo bakogenda ase chinyagitari na reporteri gatembe koraiga ase University ya Kisii Erieta Matilda Obaigwa.
Okuburia buno mwiguro konene na basae wesokia na korengwa timanyetinga mbarenga bali tayare asogokora umurubiri uyo gusuka kurwa sense mwiyo kogenda se county ya Nyamira asomurubiri oyo bugochengera gose wikirania litukeri galia World AIDS Day omujega okorekana segeti yeskuru yoboroso ya Kebirigo eyo gotoka imeye ward ya Bunyamatuta ebunge ya West Mugirango niga babwatani kurwa se county ino baro baumerana unenchira ya moyo gosanga na konyorobo semia chinchira chowetanga ne oborwaire asokonyora ebinyinyi ebyo byenyamuleo. Dr. Stephen Wando oyore omo head of health finance and polling imeye county ya Nyamira nigo bona tebirenga omubaro omonene bwabasubati bali nebinyinyi byenyamuleo nigo korolekana kobo monge wetania omubaro bwabasacha munatokumanyirwa no muri kitukuru se county ya Nyamira Fatikadi Gisemba.
Nase omonyega buchengera rituko ry'enyamoreo ensengima ase county ya Nyamira yachengera ritukerio ase skuru y'oboroso ya Kebirigo. aiga nigo yaenekiwa buna ebinyinyi byenyamoreo mbigendrete kwenekiwa imeye county ya Nyamira ase abang'ina gose abasubati bare ase omobaro omonene gekoreng'aniwa na basacha baria babwate ebinyinyi ebio.
According to the 2025 Kenya HIV estimates, 25,000 people are estimated to be living with HIV in Nyamira. Out of that, 14,200 people are currently enrolled and receiving care and treatment in our facilities. Out of these, 4,900 are male and at least 9,800 are female. A reminder that the burden of HIV continues to fall disproportionately on women and girls. This HIV prevalence stands at 2.67%, higher than the several counties that surround us, a clear indication that Nyamira still faces significant challenges in reducing new infections.
Kubatikana n'umuyiga oyo nigo abasubati baria baibwatiranetie basabirwe wesokia erio korengwa na kera nyarekane buna ebinyinyi ebyo byanyorekanire nabo omwana agokonywa n'abanyagitari erio tanyora ebinyinyi ebyo byenyamoreo aseboigo bakwanira amarito amapema koba ekemo kiabo keria gekwirira abantu abange kwambukirania ebinyinyi ebyo.
The growing threat faced by our adolescents and young people, Nyamira continues to witness high rates of teenage pregnancies, rising cases of school dropout, and significant levels of gender-based violence. The social vulnerabilities fuel new HIV infections, especially among adolescents, girls, and young women. This forms a triple threat that undermines the health, dignity, and future of the youth.
Igati yabo bakinire kubarene binyinyi ebyo nigo ensemo yabo baire abando moyo buna nabo bakomenya buna omuntu ndebwensi na kende tikeyo kerasinye kubabwatetie amachikonsi korengana na banyagitari.
Nilisaliwa katika kijiji cha Ibucha huko Sironga, na mama yangu alifariki na papa yangu pia. Hapo kwa kusaliwa kwangu nilipatikana tu nimesaliwa na virusi. Hiyo miaka yote mimi nimeishi nayo, nikafanikiwa nikaolewa, ndio na papa ya huyu na ni Mjaruo. Usifikirie eti utaolewa ama utapata watoto, utapata. Na vile mnaona huyu hapa, huyu mjamaa ako sawa. Msikuwe na shaka ama usijione ufai kwa vile unaweza jifikiria, usifanye hivyo kabisa. Hiyo tu ni kitu inakuwa ya dunia na inapita tu, lakini Mungu mwenye alituumba yeye hawezi katuacha na anajua hiyo sababu ilikuja aje.
Omwerio ye basabire kera oyomo utiga kubanengeta abaiga bare nebinyinyi ebyo naboigo okeania eriomana asechinga amo nebintu biria birairere omuntu kwenyora asa kongu egento kerairere konyora ebinyinyi ebyo.
Among our children, at least 582 are living with HIV, and 800 adolescents aged between 10 and 19 require target protection and support. Young people aged between 15 and 24 account for 1,460 individuals living with HIV, reinforcing the urgent need to strengthen youth-friendly services and empower our adolescents with accurate information and access to prevention tools.
Hinko ripota gatembe koraiga se skuru yoboroso ya Kebirigo egotoka imeye wodi ya Bunyamatuta West Mugirange County ya Nyamira. Jeff Atigad Gisemba.
Ekero ensengima boigo yari gochengera litukeriga eserikali yense ya Kenya nigo nero yaira libagaria bene asogochengera litukeriga bunenchira yemo yokona nesegeto na boigo obosemia gochia asabanto bali banyorire ebinyinyi ebigabye nyamoreo na bali bataranyora chinsemo ao nigo litukoria lero Muthoni korengana na Mary Muthoni nigatebirenga ebirenge binge gose okwambokera okonene gwa karobeire ase okwambukira guchia sabana nene ria basubati barenge kogonkia ninga matukaya iga ebikore ebyo byarorekanire bigokea korengana noburendi bogenderete kubekwa anene chinga kya basubati bagenderete kuibora.
World AIDS Day. Na unajua kutoka kwenye tumetoka 2 decades ago, Kenya imeweza kupunguza ugonjwa wa AIDS na 72%. Kutoka 2 decades ago. Kitambo ulikuwa unasikia mtu ako na ukimwi unatoroka. Si ni ukweli? Lakini siku hizi tunaishi pamoja kwa sababu tuko na mbinu za kupuuza hii ugonjwa. Ya pili, AIDS related deaths at the Ministry of Health tumeweza kupunguza na 90%. Kwa hivyo watu wengi siku hizi hawakufi kwa sababu mtu ako na ukimwi. Labda kwa sababu ya diabetes, blood pressure hapa, cancer na magonjwa ingine mengi. Pia mother to child, kama mama ako na ukimwi na anapata mtoto, tumeweza kupunguza na 35% transmission of mother to child. Hiyo ni kumaanisha wale watoto wanazaliwa hata kama mama ako na ukimwi, sio lazima mtoto apate ukimwi. So hiyo ni mambo tunataka kusherekea na kusema ya kwamba pia mambo ya triple threat. Triple threat ni ile maneno ninaita HIV infection, teenage pregnancies na gender based violence.
Emambia ya lero ase omochiokeroka nigo muriro oateka na gusamba anene enibo enyinge anene binto byaborokigwa aubare ase nyagitari ya Keroka level 4 aubara samagerio ebinto byabo byabigosambikira nyomba na gutigerwa asara enene korengana na barobo nigo bagotebanga omuriro ywe nigo kagere ande kerokende gochakigwa no kolipuka we soketi engana yabatiga na asara enene asebono baruo koboria anene guchia serikali ye county ya Nyamira koene kianga omuchoywe no bwate egari eria yo kolimyo muriro anene asogo konyo mibasoka nune ywe asobwange aseboigo baruo koboria nga omuchoyo nyare gokinwa oyo nonyene municipality eri banyara konyoro bokoreri asinchira ya ange unatukumanyiwa no murikyo ito Paul Cup Okara
nege korekio kenyara kabage okorekana emambe ya rero ime yomuchujiga okeroka ase enyomba ya boroki wabaiga abo barahase megerio yani industrial attachment ime yetinseme chiga chinyagitari ya keroka enyomba yabo yanyara kabage kubwata omulero
nabo gete saa 12 kiamambia nagandira kawaida ko roshi bintu byo nebyoteri naliyo abaisika mbaro bamenyeta bakemtisi bare batatu babere batirimboka bagenda kawaida esukuru ya burugura keroka oyo motigara nyumba oyo moyo bonekera tigara nyumba ngendete gasini ga munyoka onte ondangeri nganjua ngakeiga nali namo buringi kiabeire onte ngaya yandimiri stima igokoranga anikende ngerokora babika batiga bonokiri kiare gwoka ndoje ngane gesuntekere liokirikire nyumba
kurengana mo nabaiga nigo bamenyeta se nyumba yiga batatu kurinde babere nigo banyara ko bagotangana kuboka na gwikirana asinya gitari asuyo matigara nyumba na kuboka konyore gesintege tindia muneri okiri nene elio didera unyara ko bagakomenyoka kurigia obokonyi.
Mimi nimeamka asubuhi, I was asleep by the way, nilishindwa kupumua nikajivuta nikatoka nje. The first thing nilifikiria ilikuwa nikuja niambie nani tuzime stima because nyumba zingine zote zinge explode, but sikuwa naona anything. Nilitoka nikakuja nikamwambia tuzime stima. After tumezima stima wakaanza kuenda sasa kuangalia because hata sikuwa najua what was happening. Wenzangu walikuwa wametoka wameenda hosi, bado mimi nilikuwa nifuate but nilikuwa nachelewa kiasi. Mtu saidie, justice ipatikane, wacha kitu yenye imehappen ukweli ifanyike because we can't be complaining alafu watu wana ignore to ignorance. Because mimi nilimwambia kama ni socket tutaki kununua, mimi nitanunua socket uweke. Mtu anasema tingojea nyumba zingine zikitengenezwa tutawekea.
Na nyinaboni ige bintu byanyara ko babiko yebinga se nyombe yiga asebatanyara ko bagokonya kende gyonsi gento bono beso kirina kugendera ko boli abali bali no moyo bugwanja kwene kingango bakonya bali ngano nyene chianga endagera indokera bakonye kugenderera na gukora amegiria yabo.
After kuitwa tukapata kweli vitu imeungua zote na vile tuko tu hivi, hatuna any cloth, hatuna any food. Alafu pia simu ya mwenzetu imechomeka. Wazazi hata wameshangaa, hawajui hata watuambie nini.
Sasa hatuna chochote vile tuko hivi. Tunaomba msaada kutoka kwa wasaidizi wowote, MCA wowote hao wenye atatusaidia juu sisi ni wanafunzi. Wenzetu hawana manguo, mimi mwenyewe sina nguo vile tuko hivi, hatuna hata mahali pa kulala, kila kitu imeungua kwa nyumba. Tunaomba msaada wa serikali.
Nomweli oye abamenye kura sinseme chiga cha Keroka. Nigo bagendre kwa bakoboli serikali ya county yenyerekane buna umuco yo Keroka mbwango mono onyara kwa bagokwegwa municipality kwani kibunango leta bale igalire gusigasigira emibasokano yemerero ili gutanga yanga bunajaiga na gutanga chiasara chikoletwamo nemerero ili gwateka achachi.
We are requesting the government, actually the county government, kuweka hiyo mambo ya fire extinguishers zikuwe tayari, hizo moto, hizo magari hizo kubwa kubwa zikuje zikaa hapa ndani, at least zikaa at least county yetu hapa karibu. Ndio saa hii asubuhi tumengangana kufunja madirisha, kuweka maji, kufunja kila mahali, ndio tukamaliza hiyo mambo.
Egingo ripoti rigetaseni kia wanjete kia Getembe kuriga imeye umuco Keroka imeye county ya Nyamira inchigonguru kwa Polycarp Okara.
Director o disaster management ase county ya Kisii Mengo Ojwang nigo bona boriria bamenyi be county ya Kisii anene gwa koroboti asobwango kerokende kerobo miranire mibasokano ase bono atebirenga nigo bale tayare asokwena nobo koreri bune serikali ye county gukwana ya igani gakwana ase chinsemo chia daraja 2 ase omorero gosomu basokano ororekana ange negetuo kia mafuta ase egotebekana nga ekirama kienyomba chinsemecho nigo kiairwa kurende tigetigeti montonde na ngoma chinde chionsi.
Nyore reporting embeo yarenge nene kurunyanchuruguru yachire yarusirie shed yarenge gasa mafuta Shell aige junction ya yege chinjio, lakini twaikirorora twanyorenge embe injarusia, lakini we thank God injari endete yo yaba kende ngiyo giasareka ekerameke no akegweto no wakara kegwetensa bono twanyorere nga mafande ta yakore kana mne director disaster twa authorize nga bakerusi keruoro na ndabache banse process yo karosia upya na bantete wa kambi yamona asinge njo bali ba kachisimi go chese office yeito mwarorere nga na batoro vera active asinge njo yo correspond both enforcement na into directorate yeito ya disaster na ende onde bwensi okonyoro mboso kanunga bunoyo timo gotema ko minyoka kuburukanie bintu akesimi egara toje tobakonya na tobagaitingana kimokora igombe yamono asingencho yamangana aya alero na mangana aba magusu na ende mobaso kanonde incident yelite yaba mondo tayumia bona igo twakirinya sambi yamane kyara bantu
Chingaki ebunge ya Senate agenderete kubara chinsa eliogo chaka gotegerera korusiwa goso muswada bo korusiwa bisiko mugabana we county ya Nyamira Muske Amos Nyaribo genderete nigo abamenyi bensemeywe gosekati yabamenyi korwa ase county ya Nyamira bagenderete gosange birengerere byabo maiga yaba MCA korwa ase bunge korwa ase county yewe wakachikura sokurusiwa bisi Omuske Amos Nyaribo asenjere ya impeachment asebono barure birengerero byabo korengana nemiribiri yogenderete asogochi gotegerera chinsemo chiri che Senate muno tokumunyo no muriketo Fatgad Gisemba
chinsa ne chinge chitigarete erie bunge ya Senate echie gukwanira ukurusi wa bisi buna omugavana Onyamira Omuske Amos Nyaribo nigorero ense mugete yabamenyi kurwase county ya Nyamira peso kirena kurwa ebirengerero byabo kubwatikana ningana ejeiga
Chele ni kengara kuranganyo chasa maoni ane ni tagette ati mugavana raba site kyagire county yetu ya Nyamira igenge survey bona muna chekere nden kaliranga enyo abante bako chabambo ni toisiro ikanyamira bona ane kurugura abakuruguru kona tegoche bona maene pinche ni tate mugavana yo Senate yanche tokonye
eliye tadia ne ko kujoni ko rutente Nyaribo turarora deta tokoreire turatebanya yo korire koranje etwasaba omonene Yesu Nyasaye omunasareti gaki etwasorora eseneti yaitu negochi goikaransa gaki tokonye omugako yagenda atimoki
asa mareta ngoro kwa finile ongero kali eke chief chengre tari gokumbura community aba nyagitari aba goteme chimaiga mbanya gwaka nona sinini nani sukuri abantu bakora nyagitari maiga mbanya gwaka oise koligere buya na ndo manye buya ground je majority kora sibedi
ngoro kwa Reverend Evans Nyang'au kwa second mission church ere town ni kitano ya etire ntora track record ya ikya kolire negara ta track record ya igo ntubwati sababu yo kumutwara egekogera tugitwara umuntu ogotoro kya bari resources muna chokore emirimo emeroberie county as a governor nabwena tegotenena muna chikabana chide nkoro
aiga abamenya basabire omoseneta o Nyamira kurigereria emichando erimiye kaunti ya Nyamira anene ekero baguchya guchaka gukwanira igoro yokurusigwa kwa BC omugavana o Nyamira erio bamwirania BC gose bamutumika
aki ugosaba omuntu kurukuseneta yeito mugeni okongo otokonye ande mugako yotama skwirane tawo asa koirane tauni etauni buneraire eyeiraire buno omuntu obisidio oborangeti nena kuchache ekero ekonyorekane tauni eraire n'omuntu uri okonyetenenera naro nekibesa ngotomukire korurogoroka ojonda gotoma ojonde seneta ekera gotoma kibesa ekyo nekingoro bakunyete bagotinde kanse kibesa bunetaranta
ensemo yende bayeganirie ebunge ya senate eyo bamwanjire omugavana Nyaribo erio akore etamu yaye buna omugavana ekeria batebire buna nigo yatigaire egeka kyomwaka oyo mubuka erio tosoe asobochori obonene
abari gotige gavana ekore mirimo yae kwa sababu Nyamira asobore mane umyete by the way ende ya umire tali bono yachaka kumia ukare ne umyete ese goto ekananga umugavana abwati magoso manena ara mubeke awena ta kore mirimo yae matuka yatigera make 27 omoro umugavana umungabo omugavana naye raundi egoko minchori baitewe chinga kine chinge nandu abana Nyamira ntomiete na magenda
Hinko reporter Gatembe kuraiga se kaunti ya Nyamira inje Fatigad Kisemba
abasae nigo bono bagendete gosegetwa aso kwelikia kubwata chikura bunenchire ye moyo kweroberia anene gochora barayi bagwenerete gosoase chiabisi anena sobochori obonene boli bosio bwochi omwaka bw'ichiru 2025 gokwana omubasolero kurwa se chiabisi chia Jubilee ime ya Marani egotoka ime county ya Kisii Isaac Nyaoga Monyoncho oyibo igoro mwana siasa kurwa sensemeyo ya Kitutu cha North nigatebirenga gati yabasae gotebwaterania sensemo ya siasa neno so waka chikura ngati yabiria bigenderete gosegeta abarai batabwenerete goswachia BC na gotakora magendero buneganirie unatokumanyiwa no mulikyo ito amangana kuro chinsemechyo Daniel Ontere.
Siasa cha Kitutu cha North me county ya Kisii nigo chiarolekanire koiro mokondo munga bosio bobochorio bonene asensemo borai bwaye bwabono bulinse ye kiama ya UDA kiama ya Jubilee nigo boigo ngora kiarolekanire koiroberia bosio bobochorio bwo na segetambokero kia bwangwega no koigorwa kwa abisi ye kiamekyo inse yomoske Dr. Fred Matiang'i asensemo ya Chaburuti ime ya Marani
Jubilee engakiri ya ete abwetu ekura senyinjo tutabwate presidential candidate bali twarenge members ba Jubilee engakiri nande butoro oboniga ntoma ete omuchando bwe nyumba yaito ya Jubilee asore nande wetera omurai we kiama His Excellency Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta and the deputy party leader who is our presidential candidate. We have restructured the party and we are moving on readiness for the 2027 elections.
kubotekana nayo yabisiga nigoriti kuria rero yatarirwa na gusirwa n'umwana siasa Isaac Monyoncho ni chinga kichio oteba oyiga no mochakana tu ase kiamekyo
enaenda go support a party yani. I am a member of the Red Army and this Red Army is everywhere in Kisii and Nyamira. It is everywhere in Kitutu Chacha North. This is the army that is going to win in 2027.
Ukwana chinga kicho ni kuboigo akwaniro kugania kwa basae kubwatira koboko umurubiri yogendrete asekeribu na ikioka na kikira abaeli baga liochora barai bukugania kwabo
tobwatira nini kiama gitu gya Jubilee aso okobwata chikura aso bonge ebijana bitu ibwata chikura aso bonge na litoranyare goteba nga umurayo itonoyo murai nukwana no mundu bosai gotego konya
nkuribatereka sene kyagetembe kurega Kitutu Chacha North ase county ya Kisii literane ngoro kwa Daniel Ontiri.
Aroboti rwa Daniel Ontiri na urogotoira aso mutimoko mokeigo ekaroto gochiko gotiga nenkwana ya getembe.
Mother to child, kama mama ako na ukimwi na anapata mtoto, tumeweza kupunguza na 35% transmission of mother to child. Hiyo ni kumaanisha wale watoto wanazaliwa hata kama mama ako na ukimwi, sio lazima mtoto apate ukimwi. So hiyo ni mambo tunataka kusherekea na kusema ya kwamba pia mambo ya triple threat. Triple threat ni ile maneno ninaita HIV infection, teenage pregnancies na gender-based violence.
Unatafuta shule bora itakayomjenga, kumlea na kumwendeleza mtoto wako? Karibu Lucky Star Educational Center, mahali ambapo elimu bora inaanzia. Tunatoa elimu ya kiwango cha juu kuanzia playgroup hadi grade 6 tukiwa CBC compliant na tukilenga kukuza uwezo wa kila mwanafunzi. Lucky Star inajivunia mafunzo ya kompyuta katika maabara ya kisasa, chess, karate na swimming kukuza akili, nidhamu na ujuzi wa kuogelea, usafiri wa uhakika na salama kwa wanafunzi wote, ada nafuu na zinazolipika, madarasa mapana na ya kisasa, walimu waliobobea, waliofunzwa na wenye ari ya kufundisha, mazingira tulivu na rafiki kwa kujifunzia, vifaa vya kutosha vya kufundisha na kujifunzia. Usaili na usajili wa Januari unaendelea. Mlete mwanao katika shule inayojali mustakabali na mafanikio yake. Tunapatikana Kisii Town, eneo la Jogoo, kando ya barabara ya Kisii Nyamira, mkabala na Kenya Power Substation. Kwa maelezo zaidi piga 0715245923 au 0719594048. Lucky Star Educational Center, kituo cha umahiri.
Zuku, home of quality entertainment with reliable internet and affordable satellite TV across the country. For $29.99, get your satellite TV dish and decoder with strong signal. Enjoy crystal clear channels, kids shows, sports, local dramas, Nollywood, Nat Geo, and more for $4.50 per month.
Esukuru ya Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College igego kwarigania ase intake ya January eyu ebwata chikosi ao bunabono Agricultural and Environment Studies, Mechanical and Automotive Engineering, Refrigeration and Air Conditioning, Welding and Fabrication na wigo ase ensema ya building and civil engineering nkwegeli bale plumbing, masonry, carpentry and joinery, building technology, civil engineering na we go water engineering. Ase ensema ya computing and informatics nkwegeli bale ICT operator, ICT technician, computer packages, cyber security na we go na network system administration. Ase ensema ya electrical and electronic engineering nkwegeli bale electrical installation na we go electrical engineering. Ase ensema ya cosmetology nkwegeli bale hairdressing we go mbabwate fashion design. Ase hospitality and tourism nkwegeli bale food production yani cookery na we go food and beverage production.
Asa Maria Tengoro James Barari Nyakundi, a principal ya Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College, eye kutoka Alimongoni, Kitutu Masaba North Sub-County, Kitutu Masaba Constituency, Nyamira County. Abana baino bali ba college school ya class 8 was a form 4 batagiye universities. Acha teyo babere isko ekiagera bone gase Kitutu Masaba ntobwate chikose zichene kono cy'ububundi cyonsi. Abana ngwakana bali kibese ne serikali wetera the government scholarship mkwaye bali loan cyogo soma wetera help higher education loans board ne kibese cyo mwana ngwaye wale kiri kitokoroka out of pocket ekyo mwana gotumia ko menye school urendagera na gwakane se nyomba komenya egento kende abana ngwaye bali constituency bursaries and even county government bursaries. Echio applications chirororo naba bunge unabono mubungo Kitutu Masaba constituency bwana honorable Clive Gisairo we are committed sana aso go support abana bagocha Kitutu Masaba egende Tanganyika tabiri mwana ndo kwense gocha Kitutu Masaba we kai we bursary in full inta abana baito January intake negendereta abana bali bako school January mwakaribishwe ndogendereta na intake na applications inchigenderete
asamange yabo okubatalira ase skuri yiga kose obakirisi migwetara sikiramba cyabo 0743480999 kose 0782490068.
Mwanchu murigiria sentu ndayende omwe-MC omukoro we ward ya Nyamasibi wakil Samson Nyagaka nigesokirie bono matukabwango iga na kurineria mbuya mono kubwatakana nobochori bwakoreka se county ya Nyamira ase ward ya Kerenyo ward ya Nyansiongo na boge ward ya Nyamaya engana gotebanga nigo yabete engana yengencho asokumurusio bosoku Dr. Fredo Kengo Matiangi engana goteba nekiorokererie kiya Kyoko kianga omogusi bwerure nabo igo asokumusira Dr. Fredo Kengo Matiangi asokurwanirira ekerego kyoborai bwense asobochori obonene bolebosio gukwana chingaki echiga omugakili ni gatebirenga na bere buya abantu kurwase bunge ya Nyaribari Masaba abantu baboriwe banyare wesokia nabo igo kubwatesia Dr. Fredo Kengo Matiangi bunenchera yemo yokomo okoboko asobochori naboigo asenkwana yaye nigo ateba nigarolekana kumwakere koko omugwaziri omukuru w'ekisemi Ezekiel Machogu asokuriye kerogo kyoborai bwe county ya Kisii asobochori bolobosio
a deputy party leader of the Jubilee Party. Dr. Fred Okengo Matiangi. A deputy party leader at Jubilee, now presidential candidate. Whatever. Amen. Abantu baito. Longo ba kirambi ya mono, especially abantu baiko ba Nyamira. mwase geto mwana minto akaira twalenga gota gosekererwa osibiri kukorunka na ando beke michianga agende siko aligie kerogo induto mutaketia induto rali toko morigeni eri akabere jo ashokwanira awamongo bano banisiye na lengo na anda machikali nje na nyaroseti omogaba nekeraru eteseino bali mocho dire igomoko nyore getekenene ngati mogateba na omogaba noyo ilago tikorokwa Dr. Ezekiel Machogu Omba obogambie bokolendwa obogambie bokogiterwa mumateke busiyeti mwesaleri abayikoye batabwatesiri abasigisi nobale bonsi nagalende seito abanyari bali mubwateti kura kyonzi mumaye kwikaranze
eyune nkwana yaye korwase kanisa yemo ime yebunge ya Nyaribari Masaba gotigana na yomu waziri wechisemi umuske Julius Migosi Ogamba nigobona aboriri abasae gotumeka obumanyi bwabo buya bunenchire yemo yokwerika na kwegendereria asobogima ayaigani gayakwana ase omuyega oyomo bwoko bekerwa chigutwa ase skuru yobobundi ya Eldoret.
We are also upgrading qualifying institutions to national polytechnic status to create more training opportunities for our youth and to provide them with globally competitive and recognizable skills and competencies. Our commitment extends beyond infrastructure. In the most recent budget cycle, and we thank the members of Parliament and Treasury for this, the government allocated Kenya shillings 29 billion to the TVET subsector, a clear demonstration that we prioritize skills training, youth empowerment, and sustainable growth. And for the KATI principals here, you will be receiving a 2 billion amount by the end of this week from help. I know you've been hard up. We pushed through Treasury, and that resources have been released. So the sector or your institutions will be receiving 2 billion Kenya shillings by the end of this week to support your programs. One of the biggest challenges in TVET has been the shortage of trainers. I'm pleased to report that over 2,000 new trainers have recently been deployed to TVET institutions nationwide across 242 institutions. The government is prioritizing the recruitment of additional trainers in the immediate term to bridge the shortage and ensure that our institutions have enough trainers to support the growing population. Ladies and gentlemen, there is no doubt that capitation, scholarships, and support via the Higher Education Loans Board must remain essential pillars of equitable success. Through these mechanisms, we are ensuring that no Kenyan youth with talent and drive is locked out of TVETs simply because of financial constraints. This support and investment in the TVET subsector is deliberate and strategic. Under the bottom-up economic transformation agenda, we are accelerating job creation in key sectors such as affordable housing, manufacturing, the digital economy, and the creative industries.
Omurai wense Dr. William Samuel Ruto na boigo mu waziri w'oburendi bwaime Kipchumba Murkomen na boigo bakubwaterana no waziri na boigo bakubwaterana no muliki obotambe ase wizara y'oburendi Dr. Raymond Omolo nigo baikirana asensemo ya National Police College Embakasi eliokora omoyega bwokubekirwa chigutwa gochia asabagambi nabo igo abakonyi babagambi abo babeire bakonyora amaigerio ase amatuka maega chinga kiechyo ase nkwana yo mu waziri w'oburendi nigarolekana kogokera egetambo kirekyo asatebire nga abagambi nabo igo abakonyi babagambi nigo banyorira maigerio anene yoko bakonya asogotingia oborendi.
So, Your Excellency, this is historic because training is extremely important. Inahakikisha ya kwamba inawapatia skills ya kumanage ile kazi wamekuwa wakifanya huko mashinani. Hawa ma-chiefs, Your Excellency, ni multipurpose, na assistant chiefs ni multipurpose officers wa serikali. Wanatumika kwa kazi tofauti nyingi sana. Unajua kwamba walikusaidia kwa registration ya farmers, mambo ya doctors, mambo ya health, working with health promoters. Unajua kwamba hawa ma-chiefs na assistant chiefs wanapambana na pombe na dawa ya kulevya mashinani. Hawa ndio wanasuluhisha shida yenye inawahusu wananchi mashinani. And I want to say without any fear of contradiction, these officers who are before us, Your Excellency, are the most trusted public servants in the entire Republic. There are some threats that these chiefs needed to have some training on. One of the problems we have in the country now is gender-based violence and violence and sexual offenses. Our chiefs, they play a very critical role in ensuring that gender-based violence is dealt with across the country, especially defilement of young people. Your Excellency, there is also a very important issue they deal with: drugs and alcohol abuse. Drugs, Your Excellency, is a great threat to our young people. They have made many, many young people to become zombies. But with the help of the chiefs and assistant chiefs, there have been major crackdown across the country, and we agreed on a rapid results initiative with NACADA, and these chiefs have done a fantastic job, but a lot needs to be done, and that's why they required also training to see how we can work together to sort these issues. The third issue, Your Excellency, that is a threat to us is the issue of banditry na mambo ya inahusikana na mambo ya Al-Shabaab na mambo mengine ya threats to our security. These chiefs play a very critical role. In fact, Your Excellency, some of our chiefs were abducted going to their work by all those militants. And Your Excellency, those we consider them our heroes because they are always in the forefront. Some of the chiefs have been killed, Your Excellency, during these raids, banditry and so forth. And therefore, we appreciate them for standing firm, and we want to make sure that they continue getting the necessary training.
Ase enkwana ya yomurai wense Dr. William Samuel Ruto nigo asomera abagambi gati yemeremo yabo chinsemo ao kurwa sensemo yoborendi goikensemo yechisemi nabego gotebanga abarokiwa goikabanyare ko baba kurigererigwa nigo nera togyo murobiriga na gotebanga nabere bya abagambi banyora magire yaiga engaki asegeka egeke asibona tebirenga tebwenereti abagambi abaiga baba gwetania enusu mwaka gusemetie nyetano nomo bataranyora amaigeria yaiga.
You are expected to enhance public awareness, counter misinformation, mobilize uptake and protect public land, and support orderly implementation of all government projects. Your role is to ensure households are informed, to support community health workers in outreach programs. Our ambition is to nurture a globally competitive generation of young people. Ongoing initiatives are expanding school infrastructure and basic education, implementing new university funding model, ensuring 100% transition from primary to secondary and from secondary to tertiary institutions, while expanding technical and vocational training and improving on school feeding program and safety net programs. You are required to support enrollment, retention, school safety, and mobilization for education programs. For you to execute this responsibility effectively, you must continuously educate yourself on government programs, ensuring that you articulate them accurately and confidently. Let me appreciate that this training is being undertaken 10 years after the last one was undertaken, which is not quite right. My instructions to the ministry is that every officer, chief and assistant chief, including our other officers, as soon as they are hired, they should not stay for more than 6 months before they come for this training. Many of the officers standing before me here have served for close to 10 years without training. I know you have gone through difficult times because this training is necessary for you to be much more effective, much more efficient, and I appreciate that many of you have been looking forward to this opportunity. You have piled a lot of pressure on the ministry, and I am glad that finally we are here.
Umanchua umurigereria abuno tukuyakero omusumari ekeonga chinsa ibere maragoba yabono una botambe nagotebyanga eliana nkuru kwa dipo na asanya tukubwatana na sensemo yebimanyelio na Wilson Makori kurinde litukeriga nelitukuri nene lya World AIDS Day unatoa gwobo semia abantu banyare wesokia na kogenda korengwa timanye tinga ine aye nindi kwarengetwe elio moelio asebire biga tigango tige no basemia bwagatembe no mugako choi tomirane chinsanye
Baraka ninjo ninjo retembe ninjo dorome manana man bangina ninjo
karaba ntumba tugete chiombe bari kogende kelisi bono bagateba naki ne cyanya kamo ginyaliso liomo chia butori nyankuru kiarane ngo yoketigarete inchi anjete mondo okumbalizo data chiombo okumbalizo cyakire chiombe roninki ebese chiombe gendo kieke abantu bawo baliyoire chiombe gendo ki no buli mubwao ebintu biliyoire ira liya ngoro ngambye mono kwanso bwate bintu bwata abana baliwo kuna gwetogeria abo togori eliso kabisa lenda bintu bya oborongonya no bulimo onye ne chiombe no ne chingoko kirende paka no mutugete paka jingondi chingunyiranze paka chimpira mete chamo ne chisimpagera lenda buya no chialengo kale bale otana ki ne cyanya kamo ginyaliso liomo chiabutori nyankuru kianene ngo yoketigarete inchi anchete muntu ukumbalizo cyakire no ne chibesa akabesa ubwate kalendo bya tona gushaka syakeria bara nora wajira ozenga chukwachi koche to kumanya bono ngebintu ebyo ngaki bintu ebyale ngenje kabiro
Baraka ninjo retembe ninjo dorome manana man bangina ninjo
Unatafuta shule bora itakayomjenga, kumlea na kumwendeleza mtoto wako? Karibu Lucky Star Educational Center, mahali ambapo elimu bora inaanzia. Tunatoa elimu ya kiwango cha juu kuanzia playgroup hadi grade 6 tukiwa CBC compliant na tukilenga kukuza uwezo wa kila mwanafunzi. Lucky Star inajivunia mafunzo ya kompyuta katika maabara ya kisasa, chess, karate na swimming kukuza akili, nidhamu na ujuzi wa kuogelea, usafiri wa uhakika na salama kwa wanafunzi wote, ada nafuu na zinazolipika, madarasa mapana na ya kisasa, walimu waliobobea, waliofunzwa na wenye ari ya kufundisha, mazingira tulivu na rafiki kwa kujifunzia, vifaa vya kutosha vya kufundisha na kujifunzia. Usaili na usajili wa Januari unaendelea. Mlete mwanao katika shule inayojali mustakabali na mafanikio yake. Tunapatikana Kisii Town, eneo la Jogoo, kando ya barabara ya Kisii Nyamira, mkabala na Kenya Power Substation. Kwa maelezo zaidi piga 0715245923 au 0719594048. Lucky Star Educational Center, kituo cha umahiri.
Zuku, home of quality quality entertainment with reliable internet and affordable satellite TV across the country. For $29.99, get your satellite TV dish and decoder with strong signal. Enjoy crystal clear channels, kids shows, sports, local dramas, Nollywood, Nat Geo, and more for $4.50 per month.
Esukuru ya Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College igego kwarigania ase intake ya January eyu ebata chikosi ao bunabono Agricultural and Environment Studies, Mechanical and Automotive Engineering, Refrigeration and Air Conditioning, Welding and Fabrication na wigo ase ensema ya Building and Civil Engineering ngwege libale Plumbing, Masonry, Carpentry and Joinery, Building Technology, Civil Engineering na we go Water Engineering. Ase ensema ya Computing and Informatics ngwege libale ICT Operator, ICT Technician, Computer Packages, Cyber Security na we go na Network System Administration. Ase ensema ya Electrical and Electronic Engineering ngwege libale Electrical Installation na we go Electrical Engineering. Ase ensema ya Cosmetology ngwege libale Hairdressing we go mbabwate Fashion Design. Ase Hospitality and Tourism ngwege libale Food Production yani cookery na we go Food and Beverage Production.
Asa Maria Tengoroku James Barari Nyakundi, a principal ya Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College, eye gotoka Alimongoni, Kitutu Masaba North Sub-County, Kitutu Masaba Constituency, Nyamira County. Abana baino bali ba college school cha class 8 gose form 4 batagiye universities. Acha teyo babere isiko ekiagara bonigase Kitutu Masaba ntobwate chikose zichene kono cy'ububundi cyonsi. Abana ngwakana bali kibese ne serikali wetera the government scholarship mkwaye gubali chiloni cyogo soma wetera help higher education loans board ne kibese cyo mwana nkwaye wale kirichi tutokoroka out of pocket ekyo mwana gotumia kumenye school gulendagera na gwakane se nyomba komenya egento kende abana nkwaye gubali chi constituency bursaries and even county government bursaries. Echio applications chirororo n'ababunge bunabono mu bungo Kitutu Masaba constituency bwana